Hey guys, it's the Chat GTP guide here, and today I want to introduce you to the Seventh Sense Marketing Company. So, what these guys do is they focus on optimizing your mass email campaigns. I know you're thinking there's a lot of mass email providers out there, some of them offer them for free, but this one is winning all kinds of awards in the industry because what they do is they use AI, artificial intelligence, to increase email engagements through what they call send time optimization. So what you do when you're working on your campaign, what it does is you send the emails out, and the AI through Seventh Sense, it monitors your recipient's behavior to increase engagement. So let's say you've got like 1,000 people on your mailing list. It will analyze every single one of their behaviors to make sure they receive your email at the optimal time for them to engage. It's really a pretty incredible device. So you're going to send out these emails, and John is going to get his on Friday at 2 p.m. because that's when he's most likely to be engaged with his email. Susie is going to get hers on Monday at 8 a.m. for the same reason. So really interesting stuff what these guys do. So also what they offer is what they call email throttling. So with this increased engagement, you're going to get a lot more business coming in. So what they do, they throttle it in the sense that they even it out. Rather than having this campaign, tons of engagement, you get a flood of business that you can't handle, they'll actually spread it out. So instead of 100 calls in one day, you'll get 5 calls a day for the next 20 days. Really, really interesting stuff. Another thing they do is what's called a deliverability audit. So when I used to do my email campaigns, I would send it out through my provider, and it would say something like 99% delivered. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's delivered to the inbox. It could have very well could have gone to the spam folder. So if you do their deliverability audit, they can tell you how many is going to strictly to inbox, and also they'll have it broken down by provider. So you see Google, Hotmail, Yahoo, any email provider, they have different spam criteria. So you might be nailing Google, might be nailing Hotmail, but maybe Yahoo has changed their spam criteria, and all of those emails are going to those recipient spam folders. So you can make adjustment through what is called increasing your sender reputation. So that is something I encourage you just to go to their website. If you don't end up using this site, go to their website to learn about sender reputation, because that is huge. Finally, they do calculate ROI. So if you use this service, you can see what your return on investment is for this type of campaign, and it costs $64 a month. When I was doing my campaigns, I put so much work into writing these emails. I would have killed to been able to increase it from, I don't know, the 5% email response I had to 10 or 20 or God, 50 would have been a dream. But this is definitely worthwhile. You do have to use HubSpot or Market2 for this for these email sendouts, but HubSpot has some free options for emailing, so that shouldn't really be an issue. Okay, thanks so much for checking it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the Chat GTP guide signing off, and thanks for joining.